For our first point, I will be choosing one hand as my receiving hand. Our first point is going to be just below the tip of the thumb. So I'll take my thumb like this and I'll wrap the fingers of my other hand around the thumb and I'll apply pressure for 15 seconds. You don't apply pressure from top. Our next point is going to be right in between the first and the second joints of the thumb. So this is the thumb and this is our first joint. This is our second joint. And right in between these two joints is our point. So this is the point. And even for this point, it's better for us to apply pressure downwards. So we place our thumb like this, wrap the fingers around it like this, and apply pressure for 15 seconds. On the second bone of the thumb, right in the middle, we'll feel a dip. So this is our point that we press for 15 seconds. Our next point is going to be in between the little finger knuckle and the ring finger knuckle. So over here, you feel your little finger knuckle, and over here, you feel your ring finger knuckle. Now you see this web over here, right, between the little finger and ring finger. So just drag it like this with your thumb and you can feel a V shape. So right where this V shape collapses, that will be your point. Press it for 15 seconds. Okay, so our next point is going to be between the middle finger and the index finger. So drag your thumb like this. You will see that there's a V shape. Right where this V shape collapses will be your point. My point is over here. So press it for 15 seconds and leave. So our next point is going to be at the tip of each finger. Now this is the thumb and this is the tip. So here is where you will apply your pressure. Now earlier we used to apply pressure from the front side, but now you'll apply pressure from the top. This is better done using a blunt pencil. So I'll take this pencil and apply pressure from top like this, just at the tip. And if you're using your hand to do it, again wrap your fingers around your thumb and press it from the top. Hold it for 15 seconds and do this for each of your 10 fingers. Coming to our feet, our first point is just below the tip of the toe. So this is my toe, this is the tip, and just below the tip is the point. So this is my point. Again wrap your fingers and hold it for 15 seconds. It is better to sit cross-legged and have your foot facing you. So our next point is between the first and the second joint of the toe. So this is the first joint, this is the second joint, and right in the middle is your point. So again wrap your fingers around the toe and apply pressure. Okay, so can you see this crease over here of the big toe? At the side of the crease is going to be a point, and you press it like this for 15 seconds. So usually for most people, this part of the foot is very thick. So you need to knead it a little bit. Massage it like you're kneading a dough to make it soft. Once you've done that, our next point will be below this curve. So right where this band, this fleshy band ends, this is that curve. So over here you can feel the 5th toe knuckle, and over here you can feel the 4th toe knuckle. Our point is going to be below that curve in between the 4th and the 5th toe knuckle. Now keep your thumb in between the 4th and the 5th toe and drag it down in between those two bony structures just below the curve. So this is our point, and we press it for 15 seconds. So our foot has this thick fleshy band, right? Our point is going to be in line with the second toe, right where this band ends. So when you squeeze your foot like this, it forms an arc. Now drag your thumb in line with the second toe and bring it down right where this band ends. This will be your point. And press it for 15 seconds. So our next point will be at the tip of each toe. So again, just wrap your toe and then apply pressure from top. And if you're doing it with your thumb, then you can do it this way. Apply pressure on each toe for 15 seconds.